We will clean the debris, the sand, and the leaves and paper and all of that. You can put it into the plastic covers. There will be a tractor which will be coming, and there will be trolleys from Veppia. It will be a blue color trolley which will be there. So you can use that, and they will transfer it onto the tractor directly. We have 20 Veppia staff also are coming. They have started the work already. So when you see them, you just ask them also to join you so that they can help you together, right? So that broadly is the plot.
We are very happy about to participate on this particular event and as part of the community initiative, and we are proud about it.
Hi, I'm Prerna, and this is like opportunity given to us, so we can contribute something towards our country. And it's nothing extra I'm doing. It's just like cleaning my house. That's it. We use this pavement every day, so it should be clean. It should not be like, oh, India is not good. Outside it is very clean and all. So just a start. Let's see.
Yeah, I'm Rakesh from Celtain. I'm very happy to do this. First time I'm doing any activity like this. I'm very happy today. Yeah, I'm very happy today.
Hi, I'm Nishant Pandey. It's a really very good initiative to clean the entire India and your surrounding. If your ambience will be clean, then only you can sustain in a very viable environment. And this is a very great initiative initiated by TESCO, and it's a great policy. If we should keep our surroundings, I would like to request the entire nation, in fact, that they should keep their surrounding, their ambience clean. Then only there will be a good heart and a clean environment. When you dwell in clean environment, then only you can think of clean thinking will come, and then you can stay towards progress.
The Swachh Bharat street cleaning initiative is really a fantastic initiative. It helps people contribute back to the society. We as citizens should be able to do our bit. If we want a change, we have to change first, and that really will bring a change to the city. That will bring a change to the country, and we will have a clean and safe environment.